Welcome to this quick 2025 guide on how to change your bank details on Deliveroo. Whether you're a rider updating your payout account or a restaurant partner switching to a new bank, keeping your payment info accurate is essential to avoid delays. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step so you can update your details smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First is open your Google and search for the Deliveroo Riders UK. Click the first option that appeared. In here, click the menu section. Click the support option. In the search bar, search bank. Click the how do I change bank details. And lastly, click the form. And that's it. Updating your bank details on Deliveroo in 2025 is simple once you know where to look. If you followed each step, your new payout information should now be active and ready for your next payment cycle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out more guides to help you manage your Deliveroo account with ease. See you in the next tutorial.